Mr. Caterpillar tree. There's Her Majesty. We've already given her a hug. Oh! I'm sorry. Did you bump your head on the trail cam? Oh, I'm so sorry. You just got bumped. Straight up inside the head. Isn't it gorgeous in here? Hi, friend. Here's the bottom swamps coming back for spring. It's where the frogs are deafening at night. This is where it's coming from. The grass is starting to come back. Here's the fourth lake. And through there. And then the fifth one is over here and has tremendously grown and swallowed most of the fourth one. Let's see what kind of footprints we got there. Oh, that's a really good raccoon print. There's some deer. Oh, there's a beaver print right there. There's another really good raccoon print. There's a deer print right there. It's a big deer because his toes are spread pretty far apart. That's probably a coyote. There I am in my dead boots down here. All kinds of prints in here. Here's the fifth lake. Oh, there's a wild bird. Just flew up. This is Bella's Creek over here that comes into the fifth lake over here. Oh, there goes the wild wood ducks. Here's the fifth lake. Goes way around there and pretty good up that way. And these are all beaver made lakes. Fish are coming back. You can see them. Swimming. Look, there's one. Hi, little buddy. Welcome to Rascal Ridge. There's some more. Such a beautiful ecosystem here. I'm going to put one of our trail cams up and see who's been